Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So we've been doing riveting and I've definitely learned quite a bit, but when I first started here, I knew how to use tools, but my skills definitely needed homing in on. I mean, some people would even say that I didn't know which end of a saw was which. But after a while of building projects, learning and gradually improving, I think I gradually improved because what I think Rob does is encourages to do. And I think that's a really important thing and it's definitely the key. I think there's two things that are very important. One, the most amazing things that you learn don't really come into use until later on. And it doesn't really matter much about what you're looking at because if you look at it in the right way, everything is really interesting and it will come into useful later on. The other important thing that I wanted to share with you is that if you do, you will succeed. And if you don't do, you don't succeed. And I've got a really cool real life example for you guys. So my little brother is a bit of a pain, I have to admit, but I think he looks up to me in some sort of way. And I see him glumly looking at a moped, something that he brought a while ago, and it doesn't work. And he asked me, what should I do? I was like, you should give it a go fixing it. And he's like, well, how do I do that? So I showed him the right direction. I said, go online and just research and then try and do it yourself. And that's exactly what Rob does to me. He'll show me where to go and give me the space to do it. And sure enough, 3 weeks later, I see him riding around on pretty much a brand spanking new moped. And he engine swapped it. He managed to get an engine of one of his friends for really cheap and did a whole engine swap, which I think is really cool. So the steps he took to accomplish that are really cool. He found the problem, he found the solution, he did the work, and then he succeeded, which I think is an awesome lesson in life because when you start to learn to think like that, it carries on with you through the rest of your life. And I just think that is insanely cool. So they're the 2 points that I wanted to share with you. One, you never know what's going to come in useful, so don't sneer at anything and try and give everything a go because you will miss 100% of shots that you won't take. And secondly, you will succeed if you do. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say, and that does bring me to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.